elsewhere in the town, as the water reached as high as the tops of buildings, Coast Guards managed to pull this man to safety. The only means of escape, through a small window in the roof.
Sono 24 I comuni.
24 municipalities have been flooded. Unfortunately, all the rivers of Emilia-Romagna have overflowed their embankments, causing flooding.
The torrential rain across Emilia-Romagna forced the swollen banks of 14 rivers to burst, flooding the surrounding areas, cutting off roads and rail links. Even in the regional capital, Bologna, where streets in the city centre were inundated, with hardly any protection to keep the rushing waters at bay. Local mayors warned people not to travel or approach areas close to rivers, and to keep away from basements and ground floors of buildings. This is the second time this month in this region